kong rakat kan lai tarik filit tap vote
มันด้วยบันทึกแทบ vote election โลกสภา election MLA มันเตะหอยเสีย
Pili filit tap vote kan khana baka surjungi ki pat riulum kan sawa jam anong ba Delhi
บัลลอร์กรีอินเดียจงยีกับเฮียกิจิงกะลาอายุเกันใบนี้อีเวลานี่อารมณ์กินอมิขมัดกินละบันวันระ
ni iwi nong mi kma vru laban wanra bun ka jingkala to pichene lada phiri ne bamlit tap vote lada don si we ru bamlit tap vote ba da shikumta kan sa khallam ka jing sun char patba te patba baro phila ya so tho am ba ka khat khindai tarek upnai april arajar arphosau ra laki apet
กระเนี่ยน้องไอ้เพ็กจงอ่ะต้องวัดชโน
tong shwa fla so tho am filit tap vote no am ta
พออ้อยแกนเวลามันจุดแบบพี่อันนี้แทบ vote เนาะมันกัน
As per police report, earlier today at approximately 11:15 a.m., 3 laborers were attacked by unidentified individuals while working at a construction site in Mawlai Mawroh, Shillong. The assault resulted in severe injuries to one individual identified as Arjun Ray, 52 years of age, who tragically succumbed to his injuries at the NEIGHRIMS hospital. Authorities have initiated a case and are actively investigating to apprehend the perpetrators responsible for this heinous act.
I got the news just about half an hour back, and I have contacted the family member. I told them now they're still in the NEIGHRIMS hospital for maybe waiting for the post-mortem or other formalities to be done by the health department, by NEIGHRIMS hospital. So this kind of the inhuman act, it cannot be tolerated. I cannot be tolerated also, and it should not be anybody who are involved in this kind of the inhuman criminal activities. They should be punished. What is tell me? He is a laborer working in somebody's houses, making building or somebody's people's house. They are building. They are hard working people earning their wages. How to kill this kind of innocent people? And we as a government, our police, they should take very stern action against these people who are taking the law in their hand. Recently only, that is happening for long, many years back. This is inhuman has become too much in the state. It's become a shame for the people of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, it's become a shame. Yeah? Everybody, what happened going to Meghalaya, they get killed. Like we are a barbarian here. We are not human being. Because of 1-2 people who are all inhuman act, the blame goes to the entire states of the people of our states. So Chief Minister, I will meet him, I'll tell him. The Home Minister, I'll meet him, I'll tell him. But I will write to the center, to the Honorable Union Home Minister. Why this kind of things happening in the EU? We have to do something from the central government. At least we should not allow this kind of inhuman act is happening in the state of Meghalaya.